Ah, it's out. It's out there. It's very hot, रे बाबा. It's hot out there. हाँ. अच्छा, मैं अभी पान शॉप गया. अच्छा तो ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन. I'll tell you what is happening. I understood what is happening. Transaction is been done from their house, and only the location has been planted there. As can I see. All the transaction has been done there, and location is also planted on that same phone. This may be the two options. Because so many of them cannot have the J7 IMEI, the stolen and the clone phone of the dead phone. So transaction is been done and location is been spotted at the same spot where the transaction is done. Fake bank account is used over there. I am being spotted there. But here's the chase now. When I went for the nearest smoke shop, the Raju tea stall was closed, so I went a little further. I had a tea and then I came back and then I bought the smokes. Fuck off, will you please? Just fucking fuck off. I mean, the shop guy has a statement. I pay in cash. So piss off, will ya? Oh, Norrington. Norrington is getting bothered because of this. Son, many people tried caging Jack. It's a failure. Some of them were officials. It's a failure. I mean, some of them were corrupt officials. It's a failure. Some birds are need to be flied out there. No matter how many people you have caged, it won't work on me. Your rat, the Norrington rat company is getting caged. We still don't know it yet. File is encrypted. File forensics has my name. You know, these broken bones is my identity now. Yogendra Nikale went through that stuff. Identity fraud have to do that X-ray, that MRI of those broken bones to prove that he is that Yogendra Nikale. Getting this right? These broken bones are my identity. And even if you do the, what do you call it, for defaming, wear my clothes, take my phone, and send a lookalike guy over there, my bones are stitched, it's visible. You are fucked from all these sides. So when someone does the online transaction from a fake bank account, when I go there, they do the bank transaction, online this thing. Fake account is been used by their phone and GPS spoof is done. At the same time, phone location has been transferred on that particular phone. And I am spotted over there and what do you call it? What more was there? I gave it in the finger. And the fake bank account must be of my name. So J7, my name, I am spotted there, but transaction done by Who? Yes, sir. It won't harm me at all. Phones are stolen and dead phone. Dead phone cannot do this. So, Norrington, you go now, marry your girl here, bencho, ask the girl again. Be polite, instead of blackmailing her, you go ask her directly. सीधे सीधे बात करने का ये सब मामले में, हमें माँ बाप से बात कर देने का डायरेक्ट उनके ये सब मामले में, समझे? सीधे सीधे बात करने का रहता है, समझे? हम कैसे सीधे सीधे बोलते नहीं हम शादी नहीं कर सकते, और ये तुम सीधे सीधे बोल देने का ना तुम शादी करने का है उनके साथ, किनके साथ? इधर हाथ क्यों गया मेरा? इधर भी जा सकता था, इधर भी जा सकता है। इधर है नॉरिंगटन, नॉरिंगटन किधर है और वो मिस स्वान किधर है? और स्वान और डक, वेरी शी, तो बहुत सो क्रेजी है उसके डायरेक्टली सीधे सीधे बात करने का ये सब मामले में। खुद के माँ बाप को बता सकते तो दूसरे के माँ बाप को भी बता डालने का ना, ऐसा ऐसा है बाबा मामला है ऐसा। हम कैसे सीधे सीधा बोलते हैं हम? तो माई मैटर इज look, I work, my work. The moment I start working, I have fun of my life. ये मैटर है। So, Norrington want to get cage him now, Baba. Then sell his ass later. So anyways, be careful from challenger. So where the crime scene was and this fun thing came, so I give you all the online transaction wherever I go. What happens? Look, this is in my head. If this paranoia would have not there, I would have never caught such a high class crime.